Keep it down.
All you have to say is right with your left.
Right. That looks very nice. Brad learns contact. Keep your heels down, honey.
High school kids.
All right, now try a slow jog. Slow jog.
High school kids do this shit over the.
Slow jog.
Hold on.
Now it's all about your hands. Your hands are getting loud. You got to keep those same hands when she's trotting. Keep riding with your leg. Try and pull her head down. I'm going to show you this video when we're done. You'll see how much the reins are moving. And how much your hands are moving. Yeah, but you're not... That's what you're trying to avoid. Just joint your hands from your shoulders. And ride with your leg. Push her up into the bridle. That looks nice. Nope, that doesn't. That looks good. You can tell when she's not fighting you, you've got nice hands. Now we just need to get you in a English saddle, Brad.
Yeah, if you were in some type